Would you tell us about the research you're engaged in?
So I'm actually involved in two different research projects. So one I'm doing through the Department of Anthropology, which is my own honors research project, where I'm looking into vaccine hesitancy from the standpoint of experiencing a modern day pandemic. And then I'm also involved in, like I was mentioning, I'm in a neuro lab where we're looking at the underlying mechanisms of PTSD, aggression, and addiction. So it's very exciting. So I'm actually trying to build a molecular tool that will help light up cells in the brain so that we kind of are able to visualize behaviors as they happen.
I'm completing the data synthesis for my own independent research that I was able to do at Friday Harbor Labs. I've applied to go back for the summer, so let's hope that I can do that. And that's on the abiotic and biotic effects on sea urchins and that trophic relationship between bull kelp, which is what they eat, and the sea stars, which are their natural predators. Um, so basically, what's worse, a predator or the environment trying to kill you? Super cool. Urchins get really upset, change their shape. We'll read all about it soon. I'm also in Carolyn Friedman's lab studying withering syndrome, and I just received the marine omics internship. So I'll be studying ways that genomics, proteomics, transcriptomics work together to create a bigger puzzle about how genes evolve in response to things like climate change.
My research is slightly confidential right now since we are in patent processes, but I'm going to be presenting it soon at the Undergraduate Research Symposium live platform. So that should be good. But we basically are working on finding ways to do diagnostics for underserved populations in ways that would be easier, something they can do at home, something that is less painful. And we're working on a lot of those diagnostics, kind of a biomedical and designing our own things. So I learned about engineering, which I had never gotten to do before. I got to learn how to 3D print things. And I'm like a chemistry person. So I also got to learn some biochemistry, got to figure out what diseases, how they present differently, how you would test for it. And so it's just been really rewarding to learn so many.
I just wanted to say one thing because Danielle brought it up, which is the Undergraduate Research Symposium. It's an opportunity every year for all of us to present. You submit your abstract. My urchin one is in as well, so hopefully I will see you. But it's an opportunity to showcase what you've done all year to the entire universe. This year it's all online, so it's an even easier way to participate. And they actually coach you through the application. You have a faculty mentor that helps you put it together. It's just another piece in the research puzzle so you can get out there and build the networks.
I highly recommend for all the transfer students, with it being online, if there's no excuse to not go. So, check it out. UW Undergraduate Research Symposium. It's on May 21st. Mark your calendars. Definitely try to join because for one, you're going to get to actually see firsthand all the research that is being done and you get like network. And, I think that's been a theme throughout this whole meeting here is that networking is so important, so why not start early? You can get in those and ask the students questions. How did you hook up with this lab? Find something that that's really interesting, and you can get a chance to talk to the students, see because it's always listed who the PI is, so you like immediately now you got a list of PIs to contact if you see things that are interesting to you. Or the other thing that I recommend is going to UW Undergraduate Research Symposium and looking at past symposiums, because that also you can see like commonalities, professors that typically mentor, you kind of know who to reach out to. So highly recommended. It's not just limited to UW students from that perspective. Like you can check out the website, see all the exciting research that's being done. And please, I cordially invite all of you to please come and check out the research that's being done.